Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I know that you are fine with best wishes of Allah Almighty.
Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are fine. Let's start students. There are some few things that you need to do before your exams. Students, first of all you have to get enough rest a night before exams. This is very much necessary for your health and for your good exams. Then take necessary things you need for exams a night before. Whatever you need for your exams or for your paper, you have to prepare a day before. Then students, have a proper breakfast on the same day of your paper and also arrive at the school with time to spare. Now students, let's talk about the accessories that you need for your exams. Number one, clipboard. Student, make sure your clipboard should be neat and clean. Nothing should be written on it, just your name, your father name and class should be written on your clipboard. Then students, you must have a pencil case to keep all your accessories in it. Then a blue ink pen. Make sure you also have a separate good quality blue ink pen. Then a wooden scale, a pencil, razor and sharpener. Students, you also have two blue marker with round tip and two blue marker with cut nib. And also a one whitener pen for your corrections. Now student, let's talk about the paper pattern. The total time for your paper will be 1 hour and 30 minutes. The total marks will be 30. Students, there will be two parts of your paper, the objective type and subjective type. In the first part of your paper, in objective type, the total time will 45 minutes and the total marks is 17. Then student, in the second part of your paper, in subjective type, you have 45 minutes as well and also the total marks would be 13. Students, the first part of your paper will be objective type. In objective type paper, you will have a question number 1. In question number 1, you have different parts related to question number 1 or a part A, B, C, D, which is related to different objective type questions like fill in the blanks, columns, true, false, etc. Total marks of objective type paper will be 17 and total time that will given you to attempt your paper will be 45 minutes. Students, once you write the answer, don't erase it with correction pen, whitener or with ink remover. Otherwise, your marks will be deducted. Then students, you will have the second type of paper which is subjective type. In subjective type paper students, you will have a question number 2 related to short question answers. This is the first part of your subjective type. You will have 4 questions. Each question has equal marks of 2 and it's 2 multiplied by 4 equal to 8 marks. So the total marks of short question answers will be 8. Make sure students, there will no choice in your short question answers. Then you will have a second part, question number 3 related to long questions and answers. Student, you will have one question, maybe it has a part like A and B or C. You have to solve all the parts. Then students, you have no choice in it. You have one question and you have to attempt this question with all its parts. The question has 5 marks. Then the total marks of long question will 5. Now student, let me tell you how to attempt the paper. The first thing that you will receive in your paper, which is the first part of your paper related to objective type. In objective type paper, first you have to write your name and your section on it. Then you can start writing your answer on your objective paper. The second thing that you will receive in paper will be your subjective type paper. Student, in subjective type paper, you also have to write your name and section with blue cut tip marker. Then you can start writing your answer on the same subjective type sheet. The space will be given for your answers. Student, make sure the name section should be right in with the blue cut tip marker, and in calligraphy writing. Now student, paper presentation. It is very much important for your paper. Number one thing, handwriting. Students, your handwriting should be neat and excellent. Number two, single direction writing. Students, if you write in a straight direction or you are writing in forward direction, just keep it. Then student, marker is used for writing headings, underlining, dates, names, directions like east, west, north and south, and for highlighting purpose. Ink pen is used to write your answer. Now students, there are some things to ponder for your exams. Understand your question paper very carefully. Prioritize your attempts. Also ensure speed and accuracy, and students, keep an eye on your watch for your timing. Students, instead of stressing out and jinxing yourself for the worst, just focus on studying hard and beating everyone to came first. Good luck for your exams and goodbye.